This is the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. It's sold for $355 and it's an incredible good mid-range phone. There are many things I like about this phone and also some things I don't. But before we get into that, let's talk about the phone itself. Please subscribe button down there so that you won't miss the upcoming videos. The phone is 6.4 inches in size with 1080p Super AMOLED display, 90Hz refresh rate, came with Samsung Exynos 1280 chip and Android 12, 5000 mAh of battery with 25W fast charging, 6 to 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and in terms of camera, it has 48 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens, 3 megapixel depth sensor, and 13 megapixel selfie camera. Could record 4K videos at 30 frames per second, 1080p videos at 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 30 frames per second for just video stabilization. I'll be showing you pictures and videos taken with the Samsung Galaxy A33 camera so that you can see for yourself how decent the camera is. And then what makes this phone an incredible good phone? Firstly, resistance. The Galaxy A33 5G is dust and water resistance. Secondly, updates. The phone has 4 years of system updates and 5 years of security updates. And thirdly, cameras. The phone has a decent camera which amazed me since it's just a $355 mid-range phone. The phone could record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and the photo qualities are not bad at all, which is very impressive. And then what are the things I dislike about this phone? Firstly, notch. The phone came with a water drop notch and to me it makes the phone looks old since most of phones from the past years are mostly with water drop notches. And lastly, the phone came with no charger on the box, which makes me sad to go purchase a charger differently for the phone. But if you should purchase a 25W charger for the phone, it will take up to 1 hour 10 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. That is it about the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G first impression. And if you want to go purchase the phone now, I will definitely say that is a good idea for the price. If you are interested in watching the full unboxing video of the Galaxy A33 5G, then the link for the video is in the description section below. Please subscribe button down there so that you won't miss upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.